Hello children, here come to page 40, exercise 2.2. Here find the sum by suitable arrangement. So far you have learned properties of whole numbers. Here we can use those properties here. Those properties, they help you to arranging the numbers, simplifying the numbers in calculations. See here, 837 200 plus 208 plus 363. Here for these numbers, do you know which property we can use? Associative property we can use here. Associative property means what? Grouping of numbers. We can make these numbers in groups. Here, that also, here always go through with the last digits children. 7, 8, 3. Here, by adding these three numbers, 7 plus 3, 10. So we have to think like that. So we can make these two numbers as one group. See here, 837 plus 363 in one group plus 208. Let us add these two numbers. 837 plus 363. Here 10 comes. Here again 10. Here 12. Now it is very easy to add the other number. 208. Here 8041. 1408. Here find the sum by suitable rearrangement. One arrangement were already, they were given in this order. Now we have to change them by using the properties. Here we can use the associative property. By using the associative property, we can find the sum easily. Okay children, here go through with the last digits of the numbers. Here 7, 8, 3. By adding these two numbers, 7 plus 3, everyone knows that. 7 plus 3, 10. So it is very comfortable to add. Okay children, so add these two numbers, then add the third number, 208. Now come to this number, this sum children. Here 4 numbers are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is, the number ends with 2. 2. We can add this 2 with this number with 8. So we can make these two numbers as one group. We can make these two numbers as one group. 3 and 7, we can make these two numbers as one group. This is by using the associative property. Grouping of numbers. When we change the grouping of the numbers, the sum does not change. That is the property. Okay children. Now let us make them in groups. Here 1962 plus that number 1538. Okay children, plus these two numbers in one group, 453 plus 647 in one group. Now see children, here let's add these numbers. 1962 plus 1538. Here 8 plus 2, 10. Here again 10. 15, 3500. Here their sum is 3500. Let's add these two numbers. 453 plus 647. Here 10. Here also 10. Here 11. Now add these two numbers. Here these two numbers to be added. 3500 plus 1100. 0, 0, 6, 4600. Okay children, here find the sum by suitable rearrangement. We use the associative property for rearrangement. Okay children, I think you understood. We'll go for the next bit. Here children, come to the second bit. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. In the first bit, we use the associative property. Here also, we can use the associative property for doing fast calculation. Okay children, here 2 into 1768 into 50. Now make them into groups. Now you can think about the numbers, children, how to make them in groups. See here, 2 into 50, very easy. 2 into 50 in one group into 1768. 52 is 100 into 1768. What gives, children? Here, 1 zero. Here take 1 zero. 1 into 1768. Here I will write here, children. 52 is 100 into 1768. It is very simple, children. Think this, multiply this number with 1. What comes when we multiply? You learned in the multiplicative identity. When any whole number is multiplied by 1, the product is number itself. So 1, 7, 6, 8. How many zeros? Insert those many zeros. Your answer. Here this is your answer. Here, do you understand, children? Here, make these two numbers in one group. Okay, the other number is here. So by multiplying these two numbers, what did we get? 100. 100 into 1768. You learn the multiplicative identity property, no? So do the multiplication with this one. You will get the same number. And how many zeros it has? Those many zeros you have to insert. That's it. That's it. Here, now come to the B1, children. 4 into 166 into 25. Now, which two numbers can we keep in group here? These two numbers. These two numbers we can keep in the group. Here, 4 into 25. Okay, children. Into 166. 25 fours are 100. 25 fours are 100. Into 166. Multiplication with 1. The product is number itself. How many zeros it has? Insert those many zeros. That's it. Okay? Now, come to this number, children. Here, how many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also, we can, 4 numbers can make them into 2 groups. Okay? Which of the 2 numbers can we take? Here, these 2 numbers we can take, children. And these 2 numbers we can take. Why? Because here close this. 4 into 25, 100. One more 0, it gives 1000. It's very simple, children. Here close the 0. 4 into 25, 100. 40 into 25, 1000. It's very easy, no, children? So make those 2 numbers in one group and make these 2 numbers in one group. Here 125 into 8 into here 40 into 25. Okay, children. Now let's do the multiplication. 125 into 8. Here 8 5s are 40. 4 carrying number. 8 2s are 16 plus 4 20. 8 1s are 8 plus 2 10. Okay, 1000. Here now 25 into 40. No need to do the multiplication with the 4, children. Here 4 5s, no need to do the multiplication with 0, not with 4, with 0. We can insert the 0 after doing the multiplication of 25 into 4. Here 4 5s are 20. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Now insert the 0. So here 1000 into 1000. Now 1000 into 1000. 1 1s are 1. Now let's count the zeros in both the side, both the numbers, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your answer is 10 lakh. Okay, children. Here, whichever numbers can keep in the group, those numbers should be kept in one group and the remaining numbers in another group. So by this property, what property we have used means associative property we used. Okay, children. So these 3 sums I done on the board. Here remaining sums, here I would like to give this as a homework. First bit and second bit should be copied down in your classwork. Now I'll write the homework on the board, children. Here children, homework page 40, exercise 2.2. First bit, here in this first bit A and B are there, already I done on the board, even though do yourself, don't copy down that from your classwork. Do yourself children. Second bit C, D, E, F, F1 also I done on the board, but don't copy down. Okay children? Here, thank you.